This roundabout in Australia went viral for creating absolute chaos, and obviously the design of the roundabout is not, well, round, but I found the location on Google Maps and figured out what actually happened. First, this roundabout didn't just pop up in isolation. This same road actually has tons of existing roundabouts on it. But this intersection is different because the angle of these two roads don't meet at the same spot, so the roundabout had to be stretched out into this diamond shape to accommodate this. But this isn't totally the issue. Roundabouts don't actually have to be a perfect circle. As long as there's a continuous inner road, it can technically be whatever shape and still function the same. That is, if there's actually enough room. And that's where this roundabout seems to run into an issue. It looks like this new roundabout was built on the existing intersection and didn't acquire any additional land or extend the road surface. In some cases, this can be a great way to lower construction costs and run pilot projects. However, there has to be the space for it, and in this case, it looks like there wasn't. If we use the other functioning roundabouts on the same road for size reference, the design would need to be bigger than the current intersection, looking something more like this, taking up a little bit more space over here. This design would still be sort of this elongated roundabout, but with a wider turning radius and a physical barrier in the middle, it would make it much more natural for drivers to interpret this as a roundabout, rather than having to make incredibly sharp U-turns like they're technically supposed to do with this design. This roundabout was removed only a few days after it was constructed, but it serves as a great lesson, especially for engineers, that just because something technically works on paper doesn't mean it's going to work when you throw in human psychology.